lot of people ask about what's the maintenance requirements. Now, for the smaller machines, mainly it's about the pump. If you have an oil pump, that you will have to take care of this pump a little bit. First of all, you need to change oil. Second, you need to check the filter, and you also might need to clean the whole pump at least once a year. So the oil pump works very, very well, but it is kind of something you need to get accustomed to work with it. If you have a scroll pump, this is like an oilless pump. This pump will probably last 1 or 2 years without any intervention. On the machine itself, on the smaller machines like a 440 or 470, there is almost no maintenance requirements at all. The only thing you should check is the screws, because since the PLC and the other electronics are connected to the chassis, there are vibrations, so it is possible that a screw might get loose. So we recommend every 6 months just to check on all the screws, tighten them. But other than that, there is not much to do. Of course, if you have certain hygienic requirements, you need to take out the corpus and clean it. But in general, if you work with material that's not very powdery and you take care when putting the material in and out, there is almost no cleaning at all. And yeah, that's for the small machines. Bigger machines, that's a different story. The bigger machines like the 570s, they do have maintenance requirements. Filters have to be exchanged. Then there must be tests must be made from the valves, see how their performance is. So we usually recommend to have a service contract with us, or you have a very good technician on location that can do it as well. But it is here very advisable to follow the maintenance that we suggest. It's difficult now to say exactly what they are, because there are many different versions of this machine. But a technician in-house is usually the best way to keep this machine running well.